Como Terraces takes inspiration from nature's beauty in all its detail. Homes are nestled within a green sanctuary beside the Yarra River, providing a calm and quiet locale. Designed by Carr with landscapes by Taylor Cullity Lethlean, the minimalist tableau of 39 residences is born from the natural terrain. Here, nature and architecture are in harmony. Every detail embodies the landscape, from the distinctive native flora to the area's rich cultural heritage. The refined, site-specific design respects and complements South Yarra's local character. Positioned on an elevated site, the building's modernist form rises from the earth to meet the light, sky, and endless city views. Como Terraces is a timeless expression of nature and luxury, taking pride of place in South Yarra.